Hi you guys, welcome back to another vlog. I haven't talked to you guys in like a week. I've just been kind of lazy. I went to Denver this past weekend, which was great. I didn't end up vlogging, but had a really good time in Denver and at Red Rocks. And then just kind of like this week, I really haven't been up to very much. So today's Friday. I'm feeling good. I just rode my bike to the post office and dropped off a couple of orders and something I had to mail out. Feels so good outside today. It was like, I felt so great riding my bike, which I still haven't figured out the bike mount, camera mount tripod thing. It just was a total fail. If you guys saw that in my last vlog, and I'm so sad about it. And I literally don't know what to do because I just don't know what to do. I guess I'm just not gonna be able to like film when I go on my bike rides, but anyway, I'm back in my house now. I'm about to get a little bit of work done. I'm doing free shipping on my Depop right now. Probably when I upload this vlog it will be over, but I'm trying to basically like upload a ton of clothes. I went through my closet the other day. I switched out summer and winter stuff. So in that process I cleared out a few items that I wanted to put up. Look at this little squirtle. He's like, looks like he's really had a hi. Looks like he's really had a long day. It's only 3 o'clock, buddy. Gotta keep grinding. He says, oh no, I will take nap while you do this. So this is the stuff that I'm gonna take some pics in and list. I have like a pretty good amount of wintry stuff. Like all this stuff is like sweatshirts and sweaters. That's what I'm gonna do for the next like 2 hours or so. And then me and Sean are going on a little date tonight. We're gonna go on a little dinner movie date. I'm so excited. We're gonna see A Star is Born, and I've just heard such great things about it. Have been really wanting to see it. Honestly, I haven't even watched the trailer, so I really don't know that much about it other than it has Bradley Cooper and Lady Gaga, and I fucking love Bradley Cooper, and I really like Lady Gaga as well. So I'm pretty excited, and I'm excited that I convinced Sean to see it with me because normally he doesn't like the movies that I pick out or the movies that I like. So this is good that he actually like agreed to go. All right, so I'll talk to you guys in a couple hours when I'm finishing up this stuff. See you then. Okay guys, it's several hours later now. It's like 8 and we are gonna go get some Italian food for dinner. I'm really hungry, so. Dog music. We put the dogs on their dog music playlist. They're not even sad at us for leaving right now. They're like, we're cool with this. We just took them on a nice walk, so. We'll see you boys in a few hours. Love you. Does everyone know where their bones are? This is Squirtle's. This is Smokey's. Bye boys. We are downtown. We're walking to Asiago's. How are you feeling about our meal that we're about to have?
It's pretty nice out. It's not too cold.
Yeah, I mean I have on a light jacket, but it's not like obviously freezing or anything. So this is a really good Italian place. We have been one time before. They have really good bread, so I'm ready for this right now. It was a little bit hard to find parking. We are kind of like, we probably should have just taken a Lyft and not driven, because it's just probably would have been literally like cheaper anyway than paying for parking. The lighting is dim in here. We just got to Asiago's. They're playing some like classy rustic elevator music. Just loving it. We just got our drinks. We're really hungry, but we did order some bread. Thank God. I know, look at this. There's a cute little fall setup next to Sean of some corn and pumpkins. How's your IPA tonight?
It's bitter, but
It's bitter?
I like it.
It's good. You shaved your face recently.
I did, yes.
Baby face. He's back. The best part of the meal has arrived. The fresh baked loaf with actually a little bit of cheese, which is always yummy, and some oils. Who is she?
Erin.
This is basically like a little risotto and bacon ball. And look at the presentation. Ugh, just fucked me up. This is the Rosarno dish. It's just like a little breaded chicken with some tomato sauce and some little fettuccinis on the bottom. I'm into it. And that's the gnocchi, right? With a little chicken?
Yeah.
All right guys, so it's Saturday now. I didn't record at the movies because we were kind of just like in a rush to like get out of the restaurant, go to the movie. I really liked it. I'm really glad I saw it. It was emotional, it was a journey, but I thought it was so well done. It was kind of like different than a typical movie that I would usually see. I don't know. It was just like, it was a movie that like I said, that Sean and I actually like agreed on, which is very rare, and he liked it too. I think maybe I liked it a little bit more, but he said that he liked it a lot. So yeah, I would recommend going to see it if you've been thinking about it. And today I have pretty much just been doing listings, and then I just took Squirtle to the park, which I'll insert some clips now. Squirtle. Squirtle. Oh, look at the fall leaves are here. We're sniffing the fall leaves. We're playing fetch. I don't know where he just put his ball actually. It's somewhere around here. Somewhere in these leaves. I don't know where that thing went, but oh, there it is. Oh, the trees here right now are so beautiful, changing, and it feels so good outside. It's like a perfect 70 degrees. I am gonna kind of just have a chill night in tonight. I'm going to make some dinner and then clean, or clean and then make some dinner. I'll probably clean after dinner because it would just be more good to get some energy in me before I start cleaning. So yeah, that's kind of all that's going on for tonight. Nothing too exciting, but I wanted to check in with you guys and say that's pretty much what I've been up to today. My kitchen is smelling so good right now. I've been trying out a new recipe for some potato and chicken and corn chowder. I'm making a lot of soups lately in my Instant Pot. Well, actually the last one I made, I literally vlogged for you guys, and now I'm doing it again. But this is finishing up right now. It's smelling so good. It basically has like some peppers, green onions, chicken broth, bacon, something else, potatoes. So it looks kind of like the soup I made last time, but it just has like corn in it and a little bit more vegetables and chunks of potatoes. This smells so fucking amazing right now. I cannot wait to try it. Hopefully it's good because I missed a couple of the ingredients. I didn't have time, and I didn't have jalapenos, so I put in a red bell pepper, and then I just didn't do the thyme. I have some Pinot Grigio. Finishing off this bottle. Here is my soup. Kind of looks really similar to the soup that I had in the vlog a couple weeks ago, but just a little bit more colorful with the peppers and the corn. So. Hello you guys, it's Monday now, so I haven't vlogged since Saturday, but yesterday was a pretty fun day. I didn't end up vlogging, but Boise just got those electric scooters, so me, Sean, and Thomas went to check them out, and we basically had a really fun day riding the scooters. I seriously had so much fun. I'm gonna start taking them pretty often because they're so cheap, and it's like basically the same thing as riding a bike, except you go faster and you have to do less work. So those are so fun. I actually really wanted to vlog yesterday, but I was just riding the scooter and there was literally no way I could hold a camera. But I'll try to vlog next time that I do it, at least if I'm with Sean. Maybe he can like film me doing it. And then today it's actually like 6:24 now, so I have been having a productive day. I just made like a really long to-do list because it's Monday. Let's just get stuff out of the way, let's get the week on track, you know. So I've just been pretty much cleaning and packed up a ton of orders. I got so many orders over this weekend because Depop was offering free shipping. So I got like, I think I sold like 19 things, which is pretty good for a single weekend for my shop. That was really good. So I packed up a bunch of orders and post office like I do all the freaking time. Really, I do the same things, as you guys can tell, like almost every day. It's really nothing too crazy. Now I'm doing some emails catching up. I've just been doing like cleaning and laundry today. So really not too vlog worthy, not too exciting, just like Monday stuff. So I'm sitting down right now and I'm about to try and plan out my videos besides vlogs, because vlogs are something that I don't really have to plan. I just film and I just come on and film whatever I want. But I'm gonna plan out my other videos for the next couple weeks because I really want to just get like some ideas going and get some days that I'm gonna film and upload and all that kind of stuff, because if I don't have that stuff, then I'm, you know, not gonna really like have a plan to actually film and upload. But I have a bunch of video ideas right now that I want to film, so I just gotta like sit down and do a little video planning, video schedule, and get that going. And I'm not sure when I'll talk to you. I'll talk to you when I have something going on, and it might be tomorrow, and I'll see you guys when I'm doing something else.